Hello guys, welcome to NameTech channel. My name is Nehemiah and I'm so happy to have you on board. This is lesson 15 on NumPy random. We are going to discuss ZIPF distribution. But then before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. And to the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your continuous support. And without further ado guys, let's begin discussing ZIPF distribution. Basically, ZIPF distribution are used to sample data based on Zipf's law, and the Zipf's law states in a collection, the nth common term is 1 over n times of the most common term. For example, the fifth most common word in English occurs nearly 1 over 5 times as often as the most common word. And guys, this ZIPF distribution has 2 parameters, and the first one is a, small a, which is the distribution parameter, and then the other parameter is the size, which is the shape of the returned array. So let me show you an example guys, how to draw out a sample for a ZIPF distribution with a distribution parameter of 2, and then perhaps a 2-dimensional array with 3 elements in each array list. So guys, remember before anything in NumPy you must import what actually the module itself. We are importing random from NumPy. So from NumPy import random. Then here I'm gonna create an object. Then let me assign it to this is a variable. Let me assign it to random dot zip, and then let me add these parameters. The first one is distribution parameter. I'm gonna give it 2, and then the other one is the shape of the returned array. I'm gonna give it 2-dimensional array with 3 elements in each array list. Then let me do what? Let me now print out. Let me say print. Print x. And then let me run the codes. And then guys, basically this is how we can draw out a sample for a ZIPF distribution. And in this case, we used a distribution parameter of 2, and then we made it a 2-dimensional array with 3 elements in each array list. And so guys, let me show you how to visualize this ZIPF distribution. And perhaps I'm going to choose a sample for 1000 points, but then I'm plotting only with the values less than 10 for more meaningful chart. So in that case guys, the first thing that you want to do is to import the module itself, the random. Then also we are going to import matplotlib dot pyplot is an alias plt, and then also we are going to import Seaborn. We are going to import Seaborn, also is an alias SNS. And then guys, here in this first line of code guys, let me create, let me say random dot zip, and then these are 2 parameters. The first one, let me give it 2, and then the size parameter, let me give it 1000 again. And then now in this second line of code guys, in this second line of code, let me say SNS dot dist plot, and then let me say x, then rounded brackets for values less than 10, and then also I'm gonna remove let me add this parameter here, argument. Let me remove this kd, let me give it false value. Then to visualize, we are going to use this function plt dot show, and then let me run the codes. And so guys, basically this is how we can visualize this ZIPF distribution and this is what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Until next time guys, please subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much.